Nurturing growth and respect, crafting a compassionate classroom discipline plan for elementary students. Introduction. In the bustling world of elementary education, a well-crafted classroom discipline plan serves as the compass guiding young hearts and minds towards growth, respect, and self-discovery. Beyond rules and consequences, it's a vessel of emotional nurturing, shaping not just behavior, but character. Join us on this heartfelt journey as we unveil an empathetic classroom discipline plan designed to foster a harmonious and empowering learning environment for our budding learners. Planting the seeds of understanding. At the heart of an effective classroom discipline plan lies understanding. It's about acknowledging that every student walks a unique path, each with their own challenges and dreams. Instead of dictating rules, begin by cultivating an open dialogue. Invite your students to share their thoughts on respect, behavior, and collaboration. Let them know their voices are heard, building a foundation of trust and respect. The blooms of clear expectations. In a garden, flowers thrive when they know they have ample sunlight and water. Similarly, students flourish when provided with clear expectations. Frame rules in a positive light, focusing on what can be achieved rather than what's restricted. Let them know that kindness and empathy are the driving forces behind each guideline. This approach not only fosters understanding but also instills a sense of responsibility towards the collective well-being. Nurturing growth through positive reinforcement. Just as a garden thrives with proper care, young minds blossom when nurtured with positivity. Imagine the joy in a child's eyes as they receive a small token of appreciation for their effort. Implement a system of positive reinforcement that magnifies the good. A heartfelt "great job" or a star on their chart can work wonders in building their self-esteem. By nurturing their self-belief, you're laying the foundation for a growth mindset that will serve them well beyond the classroom. Tending to the weeds with consistent consequences. In any garden, there are moments when weeds threaten to overshadow the blooms. Similarly, in the classroom, there might be instances where behavior challenges arise. Instead of punitive measures, embrace the concept of consistent consequences. Allow students to understand the natural outcomes of their actions. If a flower isn't watered, it wilts. If respect is neglected, trust might fade. Approach these moments with understanding, discussing the consequences together and encouraging reflection. Guiding with compassionate communication. Just as gardeners tend to their plants, educators must nurture their students with compassionate communication. Each interaction is an opportunity to sow seeds of kindness and growth. When addressing behavioral issues, approach the conversation with empathy. Allow the student to express their thoughts and feelings. By listening with an open heart, you're not only resolving conflicts but also demonstrating the power of respectful communication. Blossoming towards self-regulation. In the same way a garden becomes self-sustaining over time, a classroom can evolve into a community of self-regulating learners. Teach emotional tools to help students navigate their feelings. Breathing exercises, mindfulness techniques, and problem-solving discussions can empower them to handle challenges with grace. As they learn to tend to their own emotional gardens, they're better equipped to contribute positively to the classroom ecosystem. A tapestry of reflection and growth. Just as seasons change in a garden, so too does the classroom dynamic. Incorporate regular moments of reflection, allowing students to ponder their behavior, interactions, and personal growth. Encourage them to share insights and lessons learned. By engaging in this collective introspection, you're weaving a tapestry of growth, fostering a sense of unity and shared responsibility. Conclusion: cultivating lifelong values. In the end, a compassionate classroom discipline plan for elementary students isn't just a set of guidelines. It's a garden where values like respect, empathy, and growth are cultivated. It's a sanctuary where young minds are nurtured to bloom into kind-hearted, responsible individuals. Let this plan be a testament to the power of emotional nurturing, where the seeds you sow today flourish into a world of understanding, respect, and endless possibilities.